I love water. I think that's why I'm in Leitrim. I love the sound of it. I love the feel of it. And the enormous amount of it that you get. There's lakes and rivers and an endless amount of them in Leitrim. Paradise is always only ever one thing. And for me, would be the shores of Lough Allen. Come to Leitrim. Could change your life.
To really understand just how special Leitrim is, you have to experience it. For me, it's the welcome. Our great people and their warmth, their support. It's a place to get lost in adventures across our whinny hills, a place to create, to think, and to move at a different pace of life. It's my safe place. This is Leitrim.
Leitrim to me is a quiet haven. It's like it's people, quiet and unassuming, and it's not until you stop and take time to explore it that you find its hidden charm. In Leitrim you're allowed to breathe and be the better for being yourself.
Leitrim is full of creativity. John McGettigan described Leitrim so well in his writings. Venues like the Glen Centre in Mallorehammet and the Dock and Carrick in Shannon showcase visual and performance art. People come in their thousands to the Joe Mooney Summer School in Drumshanbo. Come to Leitrim and enjoy the arts.
My Leitrim has a wealth of history, a wealth of folklore, a wealth of scenery, a wealth of arts and culture. Farms, towns, villages, rich in nature, rich in friendship and loyalty.
It will be too loud.